Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BigCommerce Payouts to your bank step by step clearly. To withdraw from BigCommerce Payouts to your bank, begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Marketplace or Payouts section on the dashboard. Select the Payouts tab to view your available funds. Choose the payout amount you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. A pop-up window will appear to confirm your withdrawal details. Ensure your bank account information is correctly entered. If needed, click on Add a bank account to input your banking details. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. Review all entered information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to process your withdrawal. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation notification. The withdrawal may take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Monitor your email for any updates regarding your payout status. Check your bank account after the specified processing time. If you encounter any issues, reach out to BigCommerce support for assistance. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth payout process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.